This is the 26 mushroom and ashwagandha gummy blend, and this is delicious. This is in an elderberry flavor, and the brand sent this to me so that I can test and review. And these are our absolute favorite. They come in pre-serving size little packages inside, and so the serving size is 3 gummies, and there are 60 servings per container. And these have 26 different mushrooms in them. Shiitake, maitake, reishi, cordyceps, turkey tail, chaga, lion's mane, amongst like many others like oyster and wine cap. This also has ashwagandha extract, and then this also has a fermented extract blend. It's got a fermented ginkgo biloba, black garlic, and ginseng. There's a Vital Revive plant blend in here, which includes turmeric, milk thistle, saffron, green tea, and rhodiola. And again, this blend tastes absolutely phenomenal. My husband and I actually are having a difficult time just trying to keep it at just the 1 serving a day. We are, but it is very difficult because these taste so good, and they are the most delicious elderberry flavor, sugar-free mushroom ashwagandha gummies that we have had.